Hello, good day everyone. Nandito ulit kami sa iPage Workshop. Status update lang. Ito ulit yung engine ng Super Beetle 1303. Na-adjust na namin yung valves. Nagawan ulit namin ng isang, eco-compression test ulit namin. Kahapon, nababa yung cylinder number 1 and cylinder number 3, I think. So, ngayon, mapakita namin after adjustment kung ano na ulit yung compression niya. So, but first, bakit ba tayo nagko-compression test? Para malaman yung status ng engine, kung gaano karaming air ang kayang i-hold pa ng cylinder. Essential yon for combustion and power. Kasi kunyari, magkakaroon ng imbalance kung sakaling ang isang cylinder mo hindi na makapag-hold ng pressure, ng air. Kunwari yung isang the 3 cylinders mo is about 100, tapos isa is 70 or 60, magkakaroon na imbalance. So, hindi mo matatol ng tama yung engine mo. Hindi efficient yung makina mo. Tatakbo siya, oo. Handle siya. Pero, hindi siya efficient. Now, bakit kailangan sa procedure ng compression test naka-throttle open? Yung mga ganong imbalance or low compression, ang cause nun, maybe, yung head mo may leak na somewhere sa valve seats, sa guide, or yung mismong cylinder mo, yung piston mo, worn out rings, kaya nagkakaroon ng loss compression. Ngayon, bakit kailangan throttle open pag nagko-compression test? Para hindi magkaroon ng negative pressure dun sa intake mo. Imagine mo kung enclosed yan, wala yung throttle, walang source ng hangin yung intake mo. So magkakaroon siya ng negative pressure. Magkakaroon ngayon ng incorrect reading. So with throttle open, meron siyang source, yung intake mo may source ng hangin dahil may vacuum. So magkakaroon siya ng accurate reading. So, yun. Ito na yung cylinder number 1, yung compression test na natin. So, 121.5. From 81 yan kahapon. So, ano pa isang cylinder na mababa kanina? Number 3, di ba? Yan. Sige, number 2. Cylinder number 2. Ah, 120.5. Cylinder number 3. Ito, 94 kahapon. So, 112.5. So, nag-improve. Cylinder number 4. $97. O ba? Okay, try natin ulit. Kasi kahapon more than 100 na to eh. $100. Yeah. So So yun, hindi pa due for engine rebuild tong makina, so it would still last maybe a couple more years. Nakasave lang malaki yung customer. Ayun, so that's how we do our engine compression test here in Import Parts Hub. So thank you for watching. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to our channel, Import Parts Hub. Thank you and have a good day, everyone. See you later.